Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this tutorial, I will show you how to restore your backup using Google. Let's begin. As you can see, I'm currently in recovery mode. I just wiped all the data on my phone, and I'm going to reboot it right now. If you're wondering how to do it, no worries, we do have tutorials on that, so you can just check them out. After the phone reboots, we'll see a greeting screen, and we'll basically go through configuring our phone from the ground zero. So we wait a bit. We see our little loading screen here, and now we have our greeting screen. We want to click this button, and here we basically blast through our configuration. We agree, as it is required to agree. We want to set it manually. We'll need to add a Wi-Fi network, as it won't work without one. So let me quickly input our password here. We don't want to connect to a mobile network just yet, but we can easily do it later in settings, so no worries about that. The phone will get itself ready, and more specifically the Samsung and Google will make our phone ready. So we'll be able to actually log into Google, I believe. In just a moment. If you have better Wi-Fi connection, it will be faster, obviously. So we just wait a bit. And here we want to click next, but we don't want to use another device. We want to use our Google. And now we log into our Google account, on which we have... Oh, I did a misspell. In which we have our backup. And by the way, fun fact, you don't have to manually type in gmail.com. But let me quickly type in our password here. We want to click I will be using this device, since choosing my child will get us into configuring a family link, which is not very cool, and well, for me it's really pain, but that is fine. As you can see, we have different backups. These are all from the Google account. So I will quickly choose my Galaxy S25 Plus backup. And as you can see, we have a bunch of different options now. We quickly want to restore everything except applications, since it will take a while and I don't really care about that. And I don't want the video to be much longer. So now the data is restoring itself in the background while we continue our configuration. We skip putting a password, since it can be done later. We do want to turn on our backup or want to disable it. It's your choice. We simply go through it, since it doesn't matter. We can choose a Firefox, set as default. We can choose Google, also set as default. And now, if I remember correctly, we'll simply ignore everything Samsung related, since, well, I don't care about that. We don't need to log in, we can set it later in settings, but we need to agree to our terms and conditions. And now our phone is set up and our data has been successfully restored using backup from Google. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.